Hello friends, today we're gonna play Mapillary. By that I mean we're gonna take a photo series, bunch of JPEGs, and upload it to Mapillary, first making this nice map of the locations we took a picture at. Yeah, so not a gaming per se. So we'll start by inserting the card reader into the computer. Here we go. And let's see. And then we use some freaky script to copy all the data from the SD card. Here we go. This is the files we already have, as I see. All those stars indicate 10 photos. So now it's just checking existing ones, and this is how much we have to copy. Those minuses. Takes some time, but it's better than doing it manually through Explorer or even Total Commander. And here we go. It's now copying the files. Let's see. Here they are. Have a sort of organization for the files. So takes just all the stuff from the card and puts it in separate folders. And it says place because I'd like to specify where I took the pictures manually, not automated yet. Yeah. So the next thing I think we'll need is to launch JOSM, our favorite and the best editor for Openstreetmap. But we're not gonna edit Openstreetmap today. We're gonna use it to work on our photo series. Yeah, so waiting for that. Here we go. It's launching. It's a Java application. So the plan is to take one of the photo series and process it in full. Okay, so now we done that. We don't need that. I would like to open the preset for my JOSM. It's just some image data and some OpenStreetMap layer. Sure. And also I should tell you now which plugins do I have and we will use. I'm not gonna go through installing the plugins, but I'm gonna use them. Here we go. Okay, the imported ones are date picker. Not sure that I need that. Yeah, photo geotagging is the important one. Photo adjust is the important one. Pick layer is the important one. And I guess that's it. Yeah. Thank you. Let's check on the copying. Yeah, it's done. Thank you. Perfect. Now let's see what we got. Okay, this one's just something I didn't need. Oh, here is something I also don't need. Here is I already uploaded this video, so this is also can go. Nice. Okay, here's the first photo series, and we just drag and drop it into JOSM. And what's it gonna do is it's gonna create a photo layer in addition to our just a raster map and the Satellite photos layer. Gonna have a photo layer, but we are gonna have much more layers at the end. Here we go. Yep. Okay, perfect. So this one is not actually in Porto. This photo series is in Leganés, a small city in Madrid, and you can see that it's a new city because it has a grid setup. Okay, now let's pick one of the photos, right? That's nice. Okay, I'm gonna move the map, and I'm gonna go to the first photo, and let's see how it goes. Okay, it's me just standing. Okay, this is the first photo. I'm gonna delete image from disk. Yeah, I don't need that. Do not show this dialog this session. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Am I moving now? Okay, I'm moving now. Yeah. And yeah, okay. And I'm gonna see the last photos. This is me standing. No, this is me moving. Okay, so there's no like a lot of photos at the same location, which usually happens. Okay, so now we're gonna fix the track, because you see if we zoom out it looks fine. If we zoom in we see it wobbles because this is a tall buildings, right? And it would be nice to fix it. Well, actually, yeah. Let's just go through it. Okay, this one looks fine because it's open space. You see there's no roofs, no buildings, so it should be pretty solid. Here I stand too much on the crossing, so I think I would like to fix that. So I'm gonna go, this one is nice. And then next ones I'm gonna delete all of the stuff. All of the stuff which is basically the same. I start crossing, I'm gonna stop deleting. Yep, 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 yep. Up, and here we go. This one is crossing. Okay, this one goes fine. This one is an interesting situation because it's a building. Ah, or maybe yeah, I stopped filming there. This is my sad face. Yeah, so I'm gonna delete that. I'm gonna look through photos right here, here. Okay, this one is already gone, and this is the start of the next series. Okay, so now I would say we need to split this series in two. I would like, this is one 3678. Okay, 3678. Let's go do that. Gonna 3678. Let's see. What? What? Okay, this is, I don't like it. Is it like this? Yes. Okay. Yeah, let's find it. 3678. Here we go. fine, whatever. I'm gonna select everything, and I'm gonna go to the same location, go to the same location. How do I do it? Like this. I'm gonna create new directory, which is 2002/04/24. I would say Leganes 1. Gonna move all the files. No. I'm gonna move all the files into the folder like this. Juk. Okay. And I guess this one will be uh, this one will be Leganes 2 now. Yep, perfect. Okay, now let's just work on a smaller series. Okay. Okay. Now let's check if we move like this or we actually move in a straight line. Yeah, it feels like we're moving in a straight line. And what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna do first is to right click on a photo layer and tell it to export to GPS. Export to GPS. So it will create GPS GPX file based on those photos. 24 from photos 1. Still working on an organizational system for that. Yep. Okay, we created that. Now we're gonna go here and open this GPX file in our favorite editor, right? Nice. So now we have a track, a GPX track, right? So next thing is to convert this track to data layer, right? So now you can edit this track, you see, and it's much nicer than going through each photo individually because you can't edit photo layer in batch, do some advanced like L thing, and with the just data, normal data, you can use all the might of JOSM. Okay, so now I want to straighten this segment, right? So I'm gonna, oops, that's the wrong button. Okay, I'm gonna look where I'm at, where I am. Okay, I'm somewhere. What segment? So this is the, I guess here. So I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna delete all the intermediate points, right? Like this, I guess. And I'm gonna keep deleting intermediate points till I find a photo which is next to this walkway. Yeah, here we go. So this is here. Okay, and I'm deleting this. So, and now we only have 2 dots, and all this unsorted and unorganized photos will how would you say it, will be neatly put on this line between those 2 time segments, because if we look at the tags, right, the only 2 points in this GPX are time and elevation, whatever. Okay, so next one is we're looking for some building. Yeah, this is entrance to the metro. somewhere here. And let's see, yeah, let's make it neater. Let's see how it was. Yeah, so it's looking straight. Yes, straight again. Cleaning up, cleaning up uh, wobbly points. This one is good. Cleaning up. Oh no, this is, sometimes happens. You accidentally move all the line. Me accidentally move all the line. Don't do it. It's stupid. Okay. Next. Yes, back to this picture, and you see pictures are still where they were initially. Yeah, so I'm moving on this side of the building, and it thinks I'm moving on the other. Whatever. Okay, I'm gonna. This is fine. We can also move all those photos individually, but yeah, I like this. This is also fine. Okay, next one. So we're going straight still. Yeah, I don't think this building is in the correct position, but actually, so let's move all the four like this. I suspect it should be, not again. It should be like this. So somebody should fix the building location, position. Okay, let's go. Doon, doon, doon. So this is all straight ahead. Din, din, din. Straight, straight, straight. Now we're turning. This one is okay. We'll move temporarily all this stuff here. This will go here, right on the corner. And those again can be interpolated. This now I remember the word. Interpolated between those two key points. Okay, next one. Huh? Ah, okay. Yeah, so yeah, I didn't like it. You see, I moved the points. Now they do not photos do not correlate with the points. Now I'm I'm not sure how to move them, but that's fine. Interpolating. Now crossing the let's go to, you know what? Let's go to the satellite view, see how this helps. Maybe helps little. Go here. Goes here. Mm. Yeah, that sounds actually correct. Whatever. I would say, yeah, like this. Yeah, this is fine. Let let it interpolate everything. So this I expect, since it's right in a clean air, it should be correct. So this looks correct. Din 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 din. This is I'm in a bush. I'm in a bush. Not exactly correct, but not exactly wrong. Let's see. So I'm walking on the left side, you see, and here I'm walking right next to the car. No, no. And here I'm walking on a car. Am I? No. So some wobbling also, but this is this is too much. I would say this is too much. The being neat freak, right? Yeah, like this. Too much of a neat freak. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, so this I would say this should be fine. Everything here should be fine. Let's see. Yeah, right past the. I don't know. This now I can't trust anything because yeah, it's sort of here, but maybe the satellite is incorrect, or GPS in the camera, I don't know, whatever. Okay, let's see here. Here, oh, okay, maybe let's try another imagery. Yeah, this one is nicer, very sharp, very black. And I'm go here, and I go, yeah, this one is also can go, whatever. And yeah, and I'm crossing on this side of the crossroads. Okay, I'm going through the yeah. Okay, let's see. I'm going through this pedestrian area. The things I'm going, so it's a little bit shifted. I would say the imagery is shifted. It's the imagery who is wrong. Okay, here we go. Now I'm standing inside the mall, but there's crossing lights inside the mall. Insanity. I'm gonna remove all those things. I sometimes am lazy and do not delete it, but today I decided to do it. Here we go. And we deleted the photos, but there are still JPEGs points, but whatever, doesn't matter. Yeah, looks correct. Okay, fine. So, okay, so we basically fixed some wobble. You can see if we select JPEGs and look at the photos, we fixed some wobble next to the tall buildings. Now we want to inform our photos, edit our photos to fix their embedded positions. How do we do it? First, we export it to GPX from photos. So this is our initial one. And I say fixed, right? Yep. And then I switch active layer. You see this green check mark. Switch to the photo layer. And I ask it to correlate to GPX, and gonna open our fixed one, right? And very important to put this checkbox, because you see now it has a preview, but and sometimes I miss this and it doesn't fix it. So okay, let's check again. So this looks nice, this looks whatever. Crossing, yeah, crossing, yeah, looks fine. Correlate, and let me show you another way of checking if you did a good job. We add another layer, this fixed GPX. Yeah, here we go, and then we go to color. No, no, not color. We want to, I guess let's go into settings. GPS, and we say track and point coloring, velocity of the foot. And where's our boom fixed one? And let's turn off the layer, and we can see, let's turn the photo layer, and we see the GPX, fixed GPX, and this is the speed. It says 7 kilometers per hour. Are you sure? Between, no, it's orange, so it's like 5, so it's correct. This one is 14, so this section wasn't fixed correctly. This one is also There's some slow part and the fast part. Okay. Here's again, but this is because we deleted a lot of photos where I was just standing, so it doesn't mean I moved like this. It's average. Yeah, so this is artifacts from the deletion of photos, but this is a nice way to check if you moved a point too far. It will say, oh, you're doing 20 kilometers on foot. Yeah, so let's go back to the normal state, and now the final step is to save this information into the photos. And we do it by clicking, by selecting it again, saying write coordinates to the image header. Keep backups? No, we are cowboys. No. Wait, I want to do something else. I want to turn them, because now there's no direction of the photos. It doesn't know where the camera is pointing. And I wanted to know that. Yeah, so we can hold Control key and it will, yeah, so we can go like this one by one. So this is already has it, this already has it. No, but we want to be a simple tons, and again, let's try it again. Correlate to JPEGs. Yes, this one. All the images. And yes, set the image direction towards the next JPEG waypoint. Perfect. So this is the checkbox we need. Okay. Yep. Let's see. Now all the photos have directions. And it's fine. And now we finally write coordinates, cowboy without modification. No, here we go. Yeah, it's written down. Excuse me, what's that? Excuse me. Delete now. Let's do it again. Is it really like this? Fuck, it is. Come on, man. Okay. Why? I did something wrong. Correlate to this one. All images, set direction, correlate. Yeah, nice. And again, correlate to JPEGs. Ah, no. Right. Right coordinates to the header. Okay. Jum badim 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 boom badim badim. Done. Perfect. Nice. Flawless. Now let's start uploading it to our friends at Mapillary using the best uploader for the Mapillary, the desktop uploader. And yeah, how do we do it? Oh, we just drag and drop. And let's see, let it process it. So it's now thinking. It's not stuck. Here's the spinner at the right corner. It's gonna process all the photos and then show them all together. Here we go. España. Okay, now we'll look again. Looks fine. Wow, this is a unnecessary feature. They have no compass, but they allow it to turn the camera and even do it like this without 3D buildings. Very funny. Yeah, and this uploader has interpolate directions, but we already did that through the best editor JOSM. Yeah, you see, direction are there. So we just hit upload. Yep, and I guess that's it. It's gonna take some time to process. It might be a day even, but then they will be on the website. Cheers.